Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this part is designed easily and clearly. And this part is a spindle, and this part is a spindle design, and all 2D drafting is also available here. And how to this part is designed easily and clearly to discuss here. And this body is a valve design project. Okay, this is a valve project design, and valve design project is very important, and all is a assemble here. And this part is a this spindle, and this spindle is very useful, and this lecture is very useful and helpful for a beginner, a student. And okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, this body is designed easily and clearly, and how to this body is designed easily, and 2D drafting is also available here. And this body is looking perfect, and this is a spindle. Okay, so nice looking here. Okay, this is a very nice. Okay, so let's start here. This body is designed. Okay, at first select a part is this, and some important setting is a very important, and plain white, and going to this option and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, and this dimension is a this is a perfect, and this 2D drafting is perfect, and this full length is a 87 millimeter. Okay, this length is a 8 millimeter, but some increase and decrease also. This is a 11, and 11 millimeter is also perfect, but this is a 8 millimeter, and this is a 3 millimeter. This length is radius is 5 millimeter, and this is a 7 millimeter, and this distance is a 12 millimeter, and this is a 13 millimeter. Okay, and this radius is a 12 millimeter, and this distance is 1.4 millimeter, and this center line to this distance is 4 millimeter, and this upper length is this thickness is a 3 millimeter. Okay, one by one is a drawing here. Okay, and this plane is used here. This is a front plane is better. Okay, use a front plane and drawing a center line because this is a reference line. Okay, drawing a center line this. Okay, and this dimension is a use here 87 millimeter. Okay, and select a line, and the line is a drawing a geometry. Then this drawing here this and this. Okay, this is a perfect, and drawing here, and also this. Okay, and drawing this this distance to this. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a drawing here. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is also drawing this. Okay, this is a drawing here, and this is a perfect. Okay, okay, this line is this. okay, and drawing this and this. Okay, and connect to this 3-point arc, and this, okay, this length is also this drawing here, and connect to 3-point arc, connect to this point, this to connect to this. Okay, and this okay, okay, and all dimension is mentioned here. This distance is a 3 mm. Okay, and this distance is a 3 mm, and this is a 8 mm. This distance is a 8 mm, but 11 mm is also better. Okay, and this is a 12 mm. Okay, and this distance is a 5 mm. Okay, and this is a 7 mm, and this is a 4 mm. Okay, and this line, and press a control button and select this line and this line. 3 line is a connect, this is a collinear. Okay, okay, some, okay, okay, this is a 5 mm, and this line and this line to, okay, this line and this line, press a control button and this line is a collinear. Okay, and this is a 7 mm, and this is a 4 mm. Okay, and this use, okay, okay, this is a 4 mm. Okay, okay, this is a 4 mm, and select this and going to this. Okay, this use a 5 mm is this, 7 mm is this, and 4 mm is this. Okay, and this radius is a 12 mm, and this radius is a 12 mm. Okay, and this distance is a, okay, this distance is a 13 mm, and this is a 7 mm, and this point distance is a 7 mm. Okay, and again select this distance is a 13 mm. Okay, okay, this is better. Okay, and this line and this line is a relation is a equal. Okay, and some use a, this distance is a 3 mm. Okay, this distance is a 3 mm. Okay, this distance is a 3 mm is perfect, and this is 7 mm is correct, and this is a, this point to this. Okay, and again select this point, Okay, this is a 3 millimeter. Okay, okay, and this use a 7 millimeter is this. Okay, and this is a 1.4 millimeter is perfect. Okay, so 1.4 millimeter is perfect, and this is a 3, and this use a 7 millimeter is this to this. Okay. Okay, all is a black color means this is a fully defined. Okay, this is a perfect, and this distance is a 7 millimeter, and okay, and this distance is a 4 millimeter, and this 7 millimeter. Okay, all is a perfect and correct. Okay, 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 some missing point is a okay, all is perfect and correct, no missing point, all is correct and perfect, and going to this feature and revolve boss base, and okay, okay, this is a correct. Okay, all is perfect, and this is the important point is a this use a chamfer is used here 1 millimeter 45 degree angle and 2 millimeter 45 degree angle is perfect, and going to this chamfer and 1 millimeter 45 degree angle this. Okay, and again select a chamfer a 2 millimeter 45 degree angle and select a this to this, click OK. Okay, all is looking perfect, and next is a use here this is drawing here extrude cut is a 6 millimeter, and also 7 millimeter is perfect, but 6 millimeter, and this is a distance is a 8 millimeter. Okay, select this face, sketch, normal, drawing a 3-point corner rectangle, and select this to this. Okay, and to center line is connect to this, and again select this to this. Okay, and this line and this line is a equal. Okay, and this line is a vertical, and press this line and press a control button and select this point, and this is a midpoint. Okay, and this distance is a 8 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and extrude cut is a 7 millimeter, and extrude cut is a 7 millimeter is perfect, and flip side to cut. Okay, and 6 millimeter is also, but 7 millimeter is correct, and okay, all is perfect and correct, and okay, okay, this is a better, and this body is drawing here easily and clearly, and going to metal and chrome, and chrome is apply here this, and one point is also okay, One is a okay, going to this option, document properties, and detailing, and cosmetic thread is apply here, and check this. Okay, cosmetic thread. Okay, and going to this thread. Okay, going to this insert and annotation and cosmetic thread, and apply here this, and this is a 9mm is. Okay, cosmetic thread is a blind, and going to please enter number between 0.1 to 6. Okay, 5.5. Okay, this is a perfect okay, okay, this is a better and perfect and correct okay. And guys, this body is designed easily and clearly, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and drawing a furniture screw is designed here, and today discuss here a very important furniture screw, and this is a very useful and helpful this body is design. And guys, today discuss here all drafting is available here, and this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is right view. All geometry is mentioned here, and use a one by one all geometry, and then this product is designed here easily and clearly, and all dimension in millimeter, and this all thread details is available here. This length is 11mm, and pitch is 0.7mm, and size is M4, and offset is 3mm. Okay, and this is a all point is discussed here, and at first drawing this. Okay, and this body is designed here, and this body is looking perfect and correct, and all is looking so nice here, and this is a cutout is also better, and okay, this is a perfect looking here. Okay, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Let's start here this body is design. Okay, and at first select a part, and some setting is select here this plain white. Okay, and going to option and document properties, image quality, and this is a perfect. Okay, and at first drawing this, and this is a distance between full length is 32mm, and this angle is 45-degree angle, and this is a use this is a 26mm. Okay, and this length is 12mm, and this is a length is okay, this radius is okay 3mm, and this is 8mm, and this is total is 17mm. Okay, perfect and correct. Okay, this is 6mm, and this is 8mm. Okay, both is better, and this is 6mm is this length, and use this is 8mm, and this curve is a radius is 26mm, and this is 5mm. Okay, use a front plane and drawing a geometry. Geometry is a click this is a click this angle, and angle is this. Okay, and this line is drawing here, and this use this. Okay, this is a perfect. And use this. Okay, and use a 3-point arc, and 3-point arc is this to this, and use this. Okay, and this line is better, and this use a smart dimension. Smart dimension is this is a 32 millimeter. Okay, and use this to this point is a 26 millimeter. Okay, and this line to this is a use a 5 millimeter, and this angle is a 45-degree angle. Okay, and this point to this length is a 3 millimeter. Okay, and this distance between this is a 2 millimeter is perfect, and this radius is this is a use 8 millimeter, and also this is a use okay, this is a 6 millimeter, and this use 8 millimeter. 8 millimeter is perfect, and this is a 26 millimeter is better. Okay, this use a 26 millimeter, and this is a 8 millimeter and 6 millimeter, and this both is cut out. Okay, this is a perfect, and 5. Okay, all is this 12 millimeter is perfect, and this use a 12 millimeter. Okay, and okay, some point is discussed here is better, and this is a perfect. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and some is a distance is this line is a drawing here. This line is this, and this line and connect this line is use a tangent. Okay, okay, and some point is not perfect. Okay, this is a 6 millimeter and use a 8 millimeter, but some is line is not created here. Okay, and this line is okay, so some line is use some mistake is okay, this is a perfect, drawing this. Okay, and use this to this is this. Okay, and this line is this. But this is a delete here. Okay, and some use this line is a perfect. Okay, and select this. Okay, drawing a center line, and draw this point to this this is a vertical line, and this line is a vertical. Okay, this line is also vertical, and this line and this is a use a tangent. Select this tangent. Okay. And drawing a this length to this is a 3 millimeter. Okay. And this distance is a 2 millimeter is perfect. And this distance is a this line to is a 12, and angle between to this is a 45-degree angle. Okay. And this distance is a 5 millimeter and perfect. And this distance is a 26 millimeter. Okay. And this length is a 8 millimeter, and this length and this is a 6 millimeter is okay. This is a perfect, and this is a 26 perfect. All is a perfect. Line is drawing here, and this is a perfect and correct. This is a drawing this all dimension and all geometry is a correct. And use a extrude boss and click this is a perfect line and click OK. Perfect. Okay. And next is a use this is a this fillet is used here. This fillet is a 1 millimeter, and this is a chamfer is 45-degree angle and 0.3, and fillet is used here, and this fillet is used 1 millimeter. Click this and click OK. Okay. And again select a chamfer. Chamfer is a this chamfer is a use a this to this is a chamfer is a 0.3 millimeter is perfect. Okay. And okay, perfect. And next is a this is a perfect, and use a this cutout, and this cutout is a this is a distance is 0.3 millimeter and 90-degree angle. Okay. Select this face, sketch normal, and drawing a center line to this point to this. Okay. And again select a line is a this to this. Connect this line and this connect to this. Okay. And this line select this midpoint and use a midpoint. Okay. And this angle between this angle is 90-degree. Okay. And distance between to this is a 0.3 millimeter is perfect. Okay. All is a fully defined, and okay, this is a perfect. This is a 0.3 millimeter and 90-degree angle, and perfect. And exit and use a cutout. Cutout is a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a use a through all and click OK. This cutout is perfect. And again select a circular pattern and this pattern is use this. Okay, click this, use this edge, and pattern is 80 and equal spacing, and this feature is click this, and again select this cutout is this. Okay, and cutout is 80 and pattern is 80 and this equal spacing and 360 degree angle, and click OK. Okay, this is very nice looking here. And some important point is discuss here. This is a cutout, and this cutout is a perfect, and some use a okay, this is a 7 mm is inward direction, and some plane is created here. Okay, click a plane, select this and use this. Okay, and this plane is use a two relation is a parallel and tangent, both is a okay, and select this line and a sketch normal, and draw a center line, center rectangle, and draw a center rectangle is this. Okay, and use this diameter is a 18 mm, perfect, and this use a 3 mm. Okay, this cutout is a 2 mm. Okay, this is a 2 mm, and this 18 cutout is a 18 millimeter, and 2 mm is this. Okay, this is a 2 mm is perfect, 2 mm, and distance is 18, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a very some important point is discussed here. This use a offset from surface, and this is a very useful, and this distance is a 7 mm is perfect. Okay, all is correct, and click OK. And this plane is hide because this board is looking perfect, and this cutout is looking nice here, and material is apply here, and some material is select here, metal, and going to nickel, and this is a okay, this is a perfect looking here. Okay, and some important point, next point is a use here this. Okay, and this is a hole is cut out, and this diameter is a 1.5, and this distance is 6. Okay, and this is a use a top plane and a sketch normal. Okay, and use a circle. Okay, at first select a center line, and center line to connect to this point to this, and use a circle. Circle is drawing here, and this radius is a this diameter is a 1.5 mm. Okay, not perfect, delete here, and this is a delete here, and align dimension, this dimension is a 1.5 mm is perfect, and this distance is a okay, this distance is a 6 mm. Okay, because this distance is 6 mm, and this is a 1.5 mm is diameter, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a through all both side, because all is hole is created here. Okay, and next point is use a thread, and thread detail is available here. Is length is 11 mm, pitch is 0.67 mm, size is M4, and offset is 3 mm. Okay, and use a thread, and thread is all is perfect, and this is a 11 millimeter. Okay, and metric die and M4 and 0.7, and okay, all is perfect, and click this. Okay, and offset is a 2 millimeter. Okay, 2 millimeter is this, but 3 millimeter is offset is not here. Offset is a 0.7 and 1. Okay, 1 is a perfect. Okay, 0.7 is pitch, and 11 is a this length, and 3 offset is not here, but distance is okay, and offset is a 1 millimeter is better, and 1 millimeter is better, but 3 millimeter is okay, 3 millimeter is perfect, and this distance is 11 plus 3 means this is a 14, and click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and okay, offset is a 3 millimeter is perfect. Offset is 3 millimeter, and this is a pitch, and this is a length. Okay, all is correct and perfect. Okay, and all is clear here. And guys, I hope you will learn all process is learned here easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment, and get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this bodies design easily and clearly. And guys, this is a isometric view, and this part is a union design, and this part is a this body is a fully gate wall project, and this part is a okay, this gate wall project, a part of this gate wall project, and this is a union design, and how to this part is designed easily and clearly. Okay, and also 2D drafting is also available here, and this is a all dimension, all geometry is looking here, you can see here easily and clearly. And this is a assemble body, all parts is assembled here, and this final project is a gate wall project, and this union part is designed here. Okay, today discuss here a very important lecture. This lecture is very important for beginner student, and okay, and some zoom, this is a okay, this is a correct, and also this is a perfect, and all dimension is you can see here easily. And this is a this at first drawing a center line, and drawing this body is separate, and this body is separate, and this middle body is this is a hexagon, and below side a body, and upper side a body is this geometry is looking here, and this is a hexagon is drawing here and connect to both body. Okay, at first one body separately is drawing here easily. Okay, and let's start here. This body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, this is a body is drawing here easily and clearly, looking perfect, and isometric view is also perfect looking here, and all geometry and all line is perfect here, and all is perfect and correct. Okay, and this is looking perfect, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, At first some setting is a drawing here, very important. This is a plain white, and going to option, document properties, image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, and all is perfect. And at first select right plane because right plane is better. Okay, at first drawing this at first select a center line, very important. And center line distance is a midpoint. This line select and press a control button, and this point is selected, and this is a midpoint. Okay, and align this dimension. This dimension is a 50 millimeter. Okay, and okay, all is perfect. This is a 50 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and some geometry is a draw here, and this geometry is a this. Okay, and this is a perfect, and draw a line. Line is a this, and this drawing this geometry, and this geometry is a perfect. Okay, and this line is connect to this. Okay, drawing this and connect to this. Okay, and this line is this. Okay, and this line is a vertical. Okay, align a dimension. Dimension is this. This is a 1 millimeter. Okay, at first okay, this is a line is this. Okay, draw, select 1 millimeter this, but okay, and this line is a delete here, and okay, also delete here. Okay, connect to this and select a line, draw a line. This is this to this, and this line is a vertical. Okay, and also select this line is a 1 millimeter. Okay, and 1 millimeter and perfect. And this to this line is a 12 millimeter, and this point to this line is a 20 millimeter. Okay, and this line is a draw 18 millimeter, and this is a 13 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this point is drag here. Okay, and this point to this line is a vertical, and okay, and this is a okay, all is, and also this. Okay, and this is a 2 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all is a black color, means this is a fully defined. This symmetry is a draw here, this is a perfect, and next geometry is also drawing here. Okay, all is a perfect, and this is a, this geometry is a, you can see here, this is a 20 millimeter. Okay, and this is 18 millimeter and 13 millimeter. You can see here, this is a 20 millimeter and this is a 18 millimeter and 13 millimeter, and this height is a, this to this is a height is a 12 millimeter, and this is a 1 millimeter, and radius is 2 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect, but this 18 millimeter is, this is a, this height is, this circle is drawing here, this, but this is a, all is perfect, and next geometry is a drawing here, and this select a line is a drawing this this is a connect to this line is drawing here, this to this drawing a geometry, and connect this line is a simple geometry is draw here, and all dimension is a connect to this, and this is line is a some drag line is inclined, and connect to this, and this line is a this. Okay, and align all dimension is a perfect, and correct, at first select this line, and this point is a, okay, this point and this point is a horizontal, and also this point and this point is a horizontal. Okay, and align a dimension is this is a 10 millimeter, this to this 10 millimeter, and also this is a dimension is a 12 millimeter, and this is a incline is a 1 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect, and this is a 7 millimeter is perfect, and also this is a 7 millimeter is this, and this use a 6 millimeter is this. Okay, and this line is also 1 millimeter. Perfect, and next is this distance is 11 millimeter, and also this is okay, and also 11 millimeter is okay, and this is delete here some relation, not this is a perfect, some relation is this, delete here, and line is drawing this. Okay, this line is drag here because this relation is not okay, and this use a this is a 11 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this is a 8 millimeter, and this use a 3.5 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect. And this use this, and this 7 millimeter, and 1 millimeter is this. Okay, all is perfect and correct. And this also this. Okay, and next, and this is a use this line is this is distance is this 11 millimeter, and also this 11 millimeter, and this is a 1 millimeter, and height is this is a 8 millimeter, and also this height is 8 millimeter, this, and this is a 3.5 millimeter, and also this is a 1 millimeter, and this is a 7 millimeter, and 10 millimeter, and 12 millimeter is this is a 12 millimeter, and this is a 10 millimeter, and this is a 7 millimeter, and also this is a 6 millimeter and 7 millimeter. Okay, all dimension is looking perfect and correct. This is a correct. All is a black color, and some dimension is this, and this dimension is perfect. Okay, and all dimension is correct. And going to revolve boss and use this to this. Okay, all is perfect. Click OK. Okay, all is looking perfect. And sketch, select this face, sketch, normal, drawing a hexagon. Hexagon is this hexagon. Okay, and again select a circle is drawing here, this to this, but some dimension is showing here. This circle diameter is 18 millimeter, and this is a hexagon. Hexagon is a connect to this 2 point is a 27 millimeter. Also at first select this point, and this point is a vertical. Okay, select this two line is a 27 millimeter, and circle diameter is 18 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect. And going to extrude boss, apply here, and this is a perfect. And going to up to surface, and surface, this surface is connect. Okay, and click OK. Okay, all union and all point is a perfect and correct. Drawing here, and some material is apply here, and this is a use a nickel. Nickel is polished nickel is perfect and correct. Okay, this union part is easily drawing here, and isometric view is also perfect. Okay, and this union part and all dimension is you can see here easily, and drawing this part, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, get any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Guys, this is a hydraulic pump project, and this part is a drawing here. This is a end plate design, and this plate is a end plate, and this is a dry plate. Okay, this is a dry plate and this is a end plate, and this lecture is a drawing a end plate design and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a 2D drafting is also available here, and also this is a front view, and this is a right view, and this is a top view, and all three view is you can see here on the screen, and all geometry line and all dimension is clearly learn here, and all dimension in millimeter. Okay, and how to this body is a this is a write letter, and how to all process is learn here, and this lecture is very important for a beginner student. Okay, this body is drawing here, and how to this body is drawing in a Solidworks software, and this use a this is a very nice looking here, and material is apply here also brush. Okay, and this is a very nice looking here. Okay, this is a perfect and correct drawing of this body. Okay, and this is a very nice looking here. Okay, and guys, this body is drawing. Let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select a part, and part is select here, and some settings very important. Plain white, and going to this option, and option is going to document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. Okay, and at first select a plane. A plane is a front plane is better, is drawing this body. Okay, at first drawing this sketch is drawing here. Okay, this is a very nice looking here. All dimension is a perfect drawing here. Okay, at first select this is a 29.5 this distance, and this is a 42 is this distance, and 16.68, and this two circle is drawing here. This is a 58 millimeter. Okay, and this is a circle is a radius is 50 millimeter. Okay, select a front plane drawing this body. At first this construction line is drawing here. Okay, at first use a center point arc, and at first center point arc, click this origin, draw a curve. Okay, this is a curve is a drawing here. Okay, and to end point is a select here, press a control button, and this is a horizontal. Okay, and define a dimension. This dimension is a 50. Okay, radius is 50. Drag us. Okay, this is a drawing a at first drawing a circle, and this circle is a diameter is a 10 point. Okay, this drawing a circle is diameter is 10.2 millimeter. This is a 10.2 millimeter. 10.2 millimeter. Okay. Okay, this okay, and this point to this is a drawing a 29 millimeter 29.5 millimeter. Okay. Okay, and okay, this is a 29.5 millimeter. Again select a mirror, and this circle is select here, this plane. Okay, and distance between this two circle distance is a 58 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a drag here. Okay. Okay, this okay, and next is a drawing here. Okay, and drawing this okay, select a line. Okay, at first select a 3-point arc, and arc is a drawing here this and draw this and select okay, this and this point, and press a control button and select this point is a this is a merge. Okay, and this diameter, this define a dimension is a 11 millimeter, because this is a radius is 11 millimeter is perfect, and 16 millimeter is also used here, but this is a radius is 11 millimeter. And some important points, this line is a drag here, this and this 2 point is a relation is a horizontal. Okay, and this is a very important relation, and a line is select here, draw some line is a drag here or horizontal, and some incline, and this is a and connect to this. Okay, this is a very important, and this relation is a this distance between is a 42 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and this is a 42 millimeter is this use here, and 29.5 millimeter is also, and distance between a two circle center is a 58 millimeter is perfect, and this big circle is a 50 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this also use here, this okay, and okay, and some important point, this this is a okay, and a fillet is used here. A fillet is a 1.5 millimeter, and use this and also a 5 millimeter is fillet is used here, this. Okay, okay, and both fillet is very important. Okay, okay, this is very nice looking here, and all. Okay, this fillet is used here, this is a 1.5 millimeter, and this is a 5 millimeter is this radius is 5 millimeter is this fillet is used here. Okay, all is a perfect and correct, and select a mirror is a select this, and also one by one is all is select here. Okay, and select a mirror about this line, and okay, this is a perfect and correct. but this is a line is some extra line. This is a trim, and select this. Okay, and okay, but all point is connect here. And also use a mirror about this. Okay, not again. Mirror about this is a select this. Okay, about this line is horizontal line, and all is a perfect. Okay, all is connect here. All is this is a connect and perfect use here. Okay, 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 all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. And going to this extrude boss base, and this thickness is a this is a 12 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this 12 millimeter is perfect, and click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and this is a perfect drawing here. Okay, and again select this face, sketch, normal. Okay, and again drawing a construction. This is a construction line is a this line is very important. Drawing a sum. Okay, draw a circle. Circle is a this above a origin, and draw a big circle, and this diameter is a 41.7 millimeter is perfect. And this point to this is a 16.68 millimeter. Okay, okay, this a big circle drawing this a big circle is drawing here. This distance between origin point to this center point is a 16.68. This diameter is a 41.7 millimeter. Okay, this is body is a mirror, and select about this about this. Okay, and okay, and connect to a center point. This is a this point to this and again this point to this. Okay, okay, all portion extra portion is delete here. Power trim is used here. Select this okay, and all is okay. This is a perfect and correct. Okay, and use a extrude boss base. This thickness is a 2.5 millimeter. Okay, and this use this thickness is a 2.5 millimeter. This is a 2.5 millimeter is perfect. Okay, okay, and okay, okay, and again select this face, sketch, normal. Okay, okay, this face, sketch, normal. Draw a center line. A center line connect to this midpoint to this midpoint. Okay, okay, circle is a drawing here. This and this is a 10 millimeter diameter. Okay, and line is a connect here, connect to this point. This to this to this. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, this is a perfect drawing here. This diameter is a 10 millimeter. Okay, diameter is 10 millimeter, and this thickness, this distance is a 8 millimeter. Okay, this distance is a 8 millimeter, and this point to this distance is a 8 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and some use trim entities, and this is a select a trim closest, and this is a both is a trimmed. Okay, and all point is perfect, and this use a extrude. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, and also sketch and use a extrude cut, and extrude cut is a 2.5 is perfect. Okay, and okay, but this is a this face sketch or normal or drawing a center line is this. Okay, this is this again select a mirror is a this cut out is a select here. Okay, now this is a construction line. This is use a mirror is select this. Okay, this cutout is a okay, but some delete here. Okay, and this is a and this use a edit and normal and draw a center line is this. Okay, and select a mirror is all select here one by one. Okay, and select about this. Okay, and click OK, and OK, this cutout is a perfect and correct. And next is of this face sketch normal or drawing a circle is a this, and one by one is all center point or draw a circle is big circle is drawing here, and this dimension is a 16 millimeter. Okay, and this is a this use a 16 millimeter is cut out, and this use a 0.5 millimeter is cut out. Thickness is 0.5, and all four select a press a control button, and all four is a select here, and the relation is a equal. Okay, and going to extrude cut, and extrude cut is a 0.5 millimeter. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect and correct. And this use a fillet, and fillet is a select a 1 millimeter, and all one by one is a select here. Okay, and this is a select here, and this and also this and this face and this face, and also select this and also select this. Okay, and 1 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all is correct. Okay, all is perfect and correct. and next is this face sketch normal, drawing a sum, write a letter, and center line is a drawing here, a center line is this drawing here, and again center line is a drawing here, this two, this this line is a this okay, big line, okay, and this line select a text and write a letter. Letter is a this AHM 425 40, okay, AHM 4025, and this use a middle, and middle is a perfect, and okay, again select this line and text, write a letter. Letter is a CAD CAE tutorial, okay, this is a perfect and correct, and click OK, and OK, and extrude cut. Extrude cut is a, this is a 2 millimeter is better, and this thickness is 2 millimeter, and click OK. Okay, this okay, this some color is used here. This color is a black color, okay, because this you can say here a dark, and last is a drawing this face normal, use a hole wizard, and hole wizard is used here this hole, and drill size, and a standard is ISO, and size is a 4 millimeter, diameter is 4, this is a diameter is a 4 millimeter, and this is a blind use here, and this thickness is 3 millimeter, okay, and select a position, and position is a this and this, okay, and some dimension is used here, this point to this is a 45 millimeter, okay, and again select this point to this is a 45 millimeter is this, okay, and click OK, okay, and okay, okay, all, and use a color, and color is going to appearance metal, and going to brush, and select OK. This is a perfect and correct, okay, and guys, all point is one by one is discussed here, and all point is learn here easily and clearly, and okay, okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly, and guys, next lecture is coming soon, okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, today discuss here a very important lecture, a vice screw, and this part is a drawing here, and this part is a vice screw, and how to this body is designed here. And this project is a bench wise lathe machine, and at first one by one all parts is a drawing here, and last is this body is assembled here, okay, and you can see here on the screen, this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and all dimension is you can see here on the screen is a right view, then right plane is select here is better, and this is isometric view is this body, and all dimension is inches, is a very important, okay, and drawing this body, okay, this is a perfect drawing here, and how to this body is drawing here, and this lecture is very important for a beginner student and also a professional student is very important, and all parts is one by one, and all process is learn here, this body is designed, and how to this body is designed, okay, Okay, all point is learn here easily and clearly, one by one. Okay. Okay guys, let's start here. This body is design. At first going to this part, and the part is a select here this, and some setting is very important. And at first going to this is a unit, each setting here is inch pound second. Okay, IPS. And going to this option and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line looking perfect and correct. Okay. Okay guys, and okay, select this is a right plane is a select here, and this cutout is circle is this, and this is a top view is top plane is select here. Okay. Okay, and all geometry value is you can see here, this is a full length is 6.25 inch. Okay, and this is a 0.38 inch and 0.25 inch, and this is a 0.81 inch. Okay, and this is a thread cutout is a 29-degree angle and 0.08 and 0.06. Okay, one by one all point is a learn here. Okay. Okay, a drawing a select a plane is a right plane. Select a line. A line is a drawing a sketch a geometry, or drawing a part. Then all one by one is value here. Well, this value is a define here. Okay, and select this. Okay, and this is a okay, and this is a drawing here this. Okay, select here. Okay, and drawing this body, and this is a connect to this to this. Okay, and this is a 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay. Okay, and this is a okay, and this is a this, and okay, and this value is a okay, and this is a this. Okay, and at first select a full distance is a drawing here this, a full is a 6.25 inch. 6.25 inch is perfect. Okay, this is a full, and this is a 0.38 inch and 0.81 inch. Okay, this length is a 0. Okay, 38 inch. 38 inch is a this. Okay, and some is a drag here this. Okay. Okay, and this is a perfect drawing some drag here this is a drag here this. Okay, and again this is a dimension is a 0.81 inch. Okay, and this is a dimension is a 0.25 inch, and also this is a length is a this is a 0.25 inch. Okay. Okay, all is better, and but very important relation, select this line and press a control button and select this line, and this line is a going to this is a collinear is perfect relation, and this relation is very important. Okay, and this line is some drag here. Okay, and again select this is a 0.25 inch. Okay, and again this is a 0.13 inch. Okay, and this distance is a 0.19 inch is perfect. Okay, and this distance is a this, and again this distance is a 3.94 inch. Okay, and this distance is a 0.34 inch. Okay. Okay, all is perfect drawing here. And select this is a 0.38 inch, and this distance is a 0.25 inch, and this is a 0.81 inch, and this is distance is a 0.25 inch, and this distance is a 3.94 inch, and this is a use this 0.19, this is a 0.19 inch, and this distance is a 0.25 inch, and this distance is a 0.13 inch, and all is a this, and this profile is drawing here this. Okay, and this distance is a this is a 0.34 inch. All is perfect. Okay, all value is mentioned here one by one. Okay, all is perfect, and drawing this. Okay, all is perfect drawing here. Okay. Okay guys, all point is all dimension is perfect drawing here, and all is fully defined means this is a fully defined. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and going to this okay, revolve boss base is apply here, and this base is select here, and okay, this is a perfect. And going to material is select here, and material is a nickel, and going to this appearance, and this is a metal, and going to this nickel, and this is a perfect. Okay, and thread is apply here, and select this face sketch, select upper line and convert entities. Okay, and going to this curve, and this is a helix and a spiral. Okay, and helix and a spiral is a perfect, and going to this is a height and pitch is select here. Okay, and constant pitch is perfect, and height is a 4.025 inch, and pitch is a 0.125 inch, and direction is reverse because direction is this, and reverse direction is better, and start angle is 90 degree and clockwise. All is perfect and okay. Okay, and this is a path is a drawing here, and profile is a going to this right plane sketch normal. Okay, okay, and profile is drawing here, and select this profile is a drawing here. This is a some line is a okay, this is a this line is a horizontal. Okay, a center line is a select here, this midpoint to this, and this is a vertical. Okay, and drawing a some angle is this is a 29 degree. Okay, and this profile length is a 0.08, and height is this is a height is a 0.06 inch. Okay, this is a perfect drawing here, and angle is this, and this profile is a perfect because this is a profile is drawing here. This angle is 29 degree and 0.08 inch and 0.06 inch is this. Okay, all is perfect, and going to this okay, exit, and going to this sweep cut is apply here, and this is a automatic is a profile is select here, and path is just select this. Okay, this is a select this body, and okay, preview is showing here. Okay, and going to this click here. Okay, and this thread is a cutout is perfect. Okay, some little time is a counting here, and okay, all process is learn here. Okay, this is a perfect cutout, and this line is a hide. Okay, Control Z is okay, and this line is select here, and this hide. Okay, okay, all point is perfect. Okay, okay, and next is a cutout is a select here. This cutout is a use a top plane, and this is a the fillet is 0.6, and this use a circle is cut out. Okay, select a top plane, sketch normal. Okay, drawing a center line. Okay, drawing a center line is this. Okay, okay, vertical line is automatic. Select here, draw a center. Okay, this diameter is a 0.34 inch, and this length is a 0.41 inch. Okay, and this is a 0.34 inch, and this distance is a 0.41 inch. Okay, and okay, this is a fully defined, and going to this extrude cut, and this is a through all both side is cutting here, and okay, okay. Some little time is spent here, some little time is because all is counting this. Okay, this body is drawing in this body. Okay, and use a fillet. A fillet is a 0.06 inch. Okay, this fillet is a 0.06 inch, and this is a select here this and this. Okay, and some little time is spent here because all thread is a cutting here, all process is learn here. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and this is a shape is a layer and some color, and color is a this is better. Okay, and this is a perfect. Okay, looking perfect, and this is a color, and going to this and okay, 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 all is perfect and correct is drawing here, and all is perfect, and isometric view is this. Okay, and guys, all point is learn here one by one, and okay, all is perfect and correct, and guys, next lecture is coming soon, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this body's design here, and this is a all 2D geometry you can see here easily and clearly, and this is a 3D modeling is okay. This is the 3D modeling is design here, and this is isometric view, and all dimension in millimeter, and this is a 2D geometry. Okay, this is a front view, and this is a top view, and this is a detail view, and this is a section view. All point is you can see here, and okay, okay, all point you can see here easily, and all point is used, then this body is designed here easily and clearly. Okay, okay, let's start here. One by one is designed here. Okay, okay, at first select a plane. Plane is a right plane is very easily drawing here, right plane, and at first drawing a this is a 3 millimeter, and this is a 300 millimeter, and also this is a 200 millimeter is okay. Okay, select a line. Line is a drawing here. This is a this and select a, okay, this is a correct, okay, okay, and select this, and this is a this, okay, this is a okay, and mention any dimension. Dimension is a, this is a 300 millimeter, and okay, 300 millimeter, and then this is a 200 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And again select this is a fillet is used here, and 75 radius. Okay, and select a sketch fillet, and a sketch fillet is a, okay, and 75 is better. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, all is black color means this is a fully defined, and all is a perfect. Okay, but this is a exit, and again select a top plane, sketch and normal, and then draw a circle. Circle is drawing here, and this is a circle is diameter is a, okay, this circle diameter is a, this is a correct, and circle diameter is a 100. Okay, this is a 100 is perfect, but mention here and mention this is a 100. 100 is correct. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and exit. Okay, and select a use a swept boss base command is used, and automatic select a profile sketch, and then path is a select here, and then this is a correct, but this use a thin feature. Okay, and mention here a 10 millimeter, and use a direction is, okay, this is a downward. This is a perfect. Okay, and this is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect. This is outside and this is a inside, but this body is a, okay, this is a perfect, and inside is a also, this is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, and some plain white, and use a, okay, some point. Okay, this is a very high, and okay, this is a correct. Okay, and next point is a drawing here. This is a perfect, and drawing a two circle. One circle is 230 millimeter, and then second circle is not mentioned here, but 190 millimeter is correct, and then four circle is drawing here. This is a 20 millimeter is correct. Okay, and select this and sketch. Okay, select this and sketch a normal, and draw a circle. Circle is a this, and draw a two circle. Okay, mention dimension. This is a 190. This is a 230 millimeter is correct, and select a 190. Okay, but 190 millimeter is a select this is a construction geometry. Some use point is discussed here, and okay, this is a, this point is drawing a circle, and this diameter is a, okay, this is a 20 millimeter is correct, and again select a pattern is circular pattern, and use this and select a point. Point is this. Okay, all is perfect and okay, this is correct. And select a extrude boss, and this thickness is this is a 20 millimeter, and all is perfect, and 20 millimeter is thickness is correct, and 20 millimeter and all is perfect, but this is a direction is inside, inward. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, but this is a close, and one point is very important, and this is a and edit sketch, and this inner okay, convert entities, and then use a exit and then open. Okay, this is a perfect, and next is a this sketch and normal. Okay, and draw any center rectangle. Center rectangle is correct. Okay, and this mention this dimension is this 200 millimeter, and this is a 300 millimeter is correct. Okay, and mention this is a 200 millimeter, and again select this is a 200 millimeter is correct, and again select a circle. Circle is a drawing here. This is a first, second. Okay, and again select a okay, third and fourth. Okay, okay, but 4 circle is equal. Okay, this is a 4 is equal, and relation is this is a horizontal. Okay, and press a control button, then first is selected, and press a control button, then other is this. Okay, this is a horizontal, and first press a control button, and then second. Okay, this is a vertical, and this is a and same horizontal, and again same. First point select and press a control button, and then this. Okay, this is a vertical. Okay, and mention any dimension is clear. You can see here this is a two distance is 160, and this distance is 20, and again this distance is 160, and this is a 20 means, and again this is a 20, and one is selected, this is a 20. Okay, and this point and this point is distance is a 160. Okay, and this distance is a 20. Okay, and again select this 2 point distance is a 160. Okay, all is looking perfect and correct. Okay, this is all is black color, and all is this point, and this point is also 20, but not mentioned here. Okay, all is a black color means this is a fully defined. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, okay, exit and use a extrude boss, and also this is thickness is a 20, and okay, all is looking perfect. This is thickness is a 20, and this is a downward, and okay, this is a perfect. But again select use a edit a sketch, and this inner edge point is selected and convert entities, and then use a Okay, this is a perfect. But one point, then some use a fillet. Fillet is a 20 millimeter and select a 20. Okay, this is a perfect. And correct, this is a 20 millimeter is fillet. Okay, and 1 point is select here, and then all other is 4 point is select here, and this is a 20. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. And use a constant size fillet, and all is a correct. Okay, okay, and again 1 point is discuss here. Last point is a select a this is a correct. And use a 80 millimeter dia, and this is a 145 millimeter is Phillips side. Okay, and select a plane is a, this is a, okay, front plane, this is a top plane, and right plane is a, okay, top plane, and select a front plane. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, 1 point is a, and select a, okay, this is a right plane, and use a, okay, and select this is a top, and use a, this is a plane is created here. Okay, and some point is a discuss here. Okay, and then use a, and then this plane is sketch normal. Okay, and drawing a circle is a this. Okay, and this is a 80 millimeter and 145. Okay, and correct. And this distance is a 2. This distance is a, okay, this point is 85, and this is a 200. Correct. And this is 80. Okay, and this distance is a 200 is, okay, 200 is a perfect. But 85 is a correct. Okay, and next point is a, okay, and again select a, and plane is a edit some plane sketch. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. And next, and this is a colorful. Okay, and select a cartoon is apply here, and this is a correct. And this, and again select a this. Okay, and color is a, okay, 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 all point is very nice looking here, and this is a correct. And some fillet is used here. This is a use a chamfer, chamfer is a this and use a 10. Okay, this is a perfect, and this also is this. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and isometric is also this is a perfect. And isometric is okay. Okay, and next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed. And this is a final product of a spray nozzle, and this is a beautiful product is designed here. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed, and this is a final product of a spray nozzle, and this is a front view, and this is section view, and all 2D geometry is 2D drawing is designed here, and 2D drawing is created here easily. And how to this body is designed, all point is discussed here one by one. Okay, let's start here. At first drawing this is a 103 millimeter, and this is a 46 millimeter is this, and this is a 20 millimeter, and this is a 32 millimeter, and this is a 15.2 millimeter, and this length is 62 millimeter and 75 millimeter, and this is a 28 millimeter is correct. At first select a plane is front plane. Okay, drawing a line is this, and this is a drawing here. This is a drawing, this point is a this. Okay, and drawing a this and this. Okay, a rough line is drawing, and this construction geometry, and this is a drawing here, and mention all dimension one by one. At first select a 28 millimeter, and this is a 103 millimeter, and this is a 46 millimeter, and this is a 32 millimeter, and this is a 20 millimeter, and this is a 62 millimeter and 75 millimeter. Okay, all relation is complete, you can see here easily. And at first select this point and drawing a this is a fully is a 28 millimeter is correct. Okay, and this is a 103 millimeter is correct, and this is a 18 millimeter, 20 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this point, this is a, and distance is this is full is a 46 millimeter is correct, and this is a, and full is 32 millimeter is correct. And select this line to this point is a 62 millimeter, and again select this line to this point is a 75 millimeter is correct. Okay, one point is this point to this line is selected, and 15.5. okay, this is a correct. All is a fully defined, all is a black color, this is a, this means is a fully defined, and this is a correct. But some is correct. Okay, perfect. And select a revolve boss base, and OK. This is a perfect, and click OK. And this some okay, this document property and image quality is very high because all is perfect, and again this is a correct, and select this plane is white, this is a correct. Next is drawing this is a perfect, and this is a very nice, and 28 millimeter is offset is correct, okay. 28 millimeter is okay. At first 28 millimeter and this thickness is 20 millimeter is correct. At first create a plane is this, and 28 millimeter and flip side, and this is a perfect, okay. This plane is select here and sketch normal, drawing a hexagon. Hexagon is this, okay, and mention and select a relation. This is a vertical, and this is the distance is a 35.6, okay. This is a perfect, okay. Okay, 35.6, okay, because this is a 35.6 is better, and all is correct, okay. This is a perfect, and okay, exit and click extrude boss. Extrude boss is this thickness is a 20 millimeter and direction is reverse, okay. This is perfect, and this plane is hide because this board is looking perfect, okay. Again select a front plane and sketch normal, drawing this, okay. This is a drawing here, and at first select a drawing a circle is this diameter is 9.2 and this distance is 8.2, okay. This is a cutout 6.2, okay, and this distance is and this is distance is okay. This is a 32 offset, okay. At first drawing this, and okay, this is a perfect, and 9.2, okay, and this distance is a 8.2, okay, and this is a not defined, and this point select, press a control button, and this is a vertical, okay. This is a correct. Extrude boss, okay. This is a correct, and this offset is a 32 millimeter and reverse direction, okay. Direction is okay, but this is a up to surface, and surface is this, this is a perfect, okay. Correct, okay. All is correct, and this is a cutout is, and this is a hole is created here, and this is a cutout. Cutout means this is a use a 18.22 millimeter and is a 5.8 millimeter, and this is a 45-degree angle, and 3.54 millimeter and 9.2 millimeter, okay. And this is a 16 millimeter is correct. At first select a right plane and use a okay, this is a front plane, not correct, right plane is better, and okay, this is a perfect. A line is created here, this midpoint to this, okay, and drawing a this to this, okay, this is a correct, mention here this to this, and okay, okay, select a this is a correct, and okay, this is a use a this, okay, this is a perfect, and use a this line is select, and this, okay, and this to this is a collinear, this to this, okay, and again select this collinear, and this point is this, and use a this to connect this, okay, and select this line, select this to this is a collinear, and again select this line to this line is a collinear, okay, and this is not correct, delete here, and again select this, connect to this to this to this, okay, and this is a delete here, but okay, okay, and at first select 18.2, okay, this is 18.2 and 5.8 and 16 millimeter, and okay, 3.2 mention here, this is 18.2, point this to this, okay, at first this line is a construction line, this point to this is a, okay, delete here, this point to this line is a 18.2, okay, okay, this is a perfect 18.2, and again select this is a correct, and this point to this is a 5.7, okay, this is a 5.8 is correct, 5.8 is correct, and this point to this 9.6 is better, guys. This point is 9.2 is some missing point, is a 9.6 is better, and 45-degree angle, okay. This is distance is this point to this, okay, again select this distance is a correct, this point to, okay, this point to this line is a distance is a 3.45 is better, and 3 point is 54, okay, 53.54 is correct, and this angle is 45 degree angle is correct. Okay, all is, and this is a 16 millimeter is correct. Okay, all is a fully defined. All is black color means this is a fully defined, and this is a correct, and all is looking perfect 16 millimeter, and all is correct. And use a extrude revolve cut is perfect, and all is correct, blind and 360 degree angle, and all is correct. Okay, this point is very important. Body is to keep, all bodies to keep. Okay, this is a perfect, and right plane, and use a normal, and this is a section view. Click OK. This is a perfect. Okay, this face is a again drawing a circle. Circle is this center, and use a this is 6.2 is better, and use a this point is 6.2 is cut out. Okay, and use a extrude cut, and use up to next. This is a correct. Okay, all point is perfect, and use this, and all is perfect, and use a okay, and one important point is discuss your thread. Thread is cut out, and use a thread, and thread is this is a length 28 millimeter, pitch 2 millimeter, and M26. Okay, at first select this, okay, and use a metric to die. Use a M26. M26 is correct, and not M27 is also better. Okay, M27 is correct, and okay, all is perfect, and this is a length is 28, and this offset is 2 millimeter, and direction is a this is a upward direction, and all is perfect, 28, and metric. Okay, click OK. This is a perfect, and use a color. Color is this, black color means this is a correct. Okay, all is looking perfect. Okay, and this is a metal. Metal is a this is a correct. Okay, metal is a chromium bronze. Okay, brush is a, and use a color is apply here. This is a perfect, and section B is also this is a better, and okay, this is a correct, and this is a okay, and select a color. Color is this. Okay, this is a perfect, and isometric view is also better, and this is a correct. Okay guys, all is complete here, and guys, I hope you will learn all process is learned here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.